question number 2, we have a container that contains 7.5 times 10 to the power of 17 hydrogen molecules per unit volume, and the RMS speed of the hydrogen molecules is 2.5 km per second. So we have to determine the pressure. So given is the number of molecules per unit volume, so that is 7.5 times 10 to the power of 17, and we have the RMS speed of this hydrogen molecules, so that is 2.5 km per second, and we have to determine the pressure. Given also is the molar mass of the hydrogen gas, which is equal to 0.123. Yeah, you can either write it as times 10 to the power of -3 or what. It's not really an issue here. Okay, alright, so now we have to determine the pressure of the gas. So we know that we have an equation that relates PV equal to 1/3 Nm VRMS square. Okay, so from here, if we rearrange for pressure, we will then get N/V, and then from this mass here, we can relate it with the M/NA. Okay, so if you remember, we have this equation N/NA. Yeah, I think it's N/NA, or is it the other way around? Let me just check. I don't really remember. M/M. Yeah, okay, so that's correct. So we then get an equation that's like this. Okay, so this is in your notes page. Yeah, page, the equation is here. You just have to substitute for M je lah, because kita ada molar mass saja, so we don't really have the mass of the gas. So that's why we need to change it to the one that has molar mass, because that's the only information that we have. Okay, so dari sini kamu just have to substitute all the values given, and you will get the pressure to be equal to 5.24 times 10 to the power of -3 Pascal. Okay, so that is on question number 2.